This is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your phone says no command in the recovery screen on your Motorola phone. So I'm going to hold down the volume down and the power button right here, and then I'm going to launch my phone into the recovery menu. So when the phone turns off, I'm just going to go ahead and let go for a brief second and then press the volume down key and the power button once again. Scroll on down to where it says recovery mode, press the power button. Now when it restarts into this, it's going to say no command, so you might be a little bit annoyed because you're not able to factory reset your phone. Press and hold down the power button and then tap the volume up key, and this will bring you to the options actually now. So under here we can use the volume key to go on down to wherever we want, like factory data reset or something like that. And then I'm just going to go to reboot system. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.